Okay, confession time. How many of you have spent hours making your notes look Instagram perfect, only to realize you remember nothing from them? Yeah, me too. And honestly, I wish someone had told me sooner that pretty notes don't always equal effective notes. So today I'm sharing the game-changing tips I've learned to take notes that are both aesthetic and actually help you retain information. No more wasting time. Let's get into it. First, we'll talk about the biggest mistakes people make with aesthetic notes. Spoiler, I've made all of them. Then, I'll walk you through my step-by-step system for notes that look good and stick in your brain. And finally, I'll share my favorite tools and tricks to make the whole process faster. Let's go. Guilty as charged. I used to spend so much time on headers, colors, and doodles that I'd run out of energy to actually process the info. The fix? Do the thinking first, then make it pretty. Take messy, quick notes during class or while studying, then later rewrite them in a cleaner, more structured way. This way, you're actually engaging with the material twice. I used to think more colors equals more productive. Nope. Too many colors can actually distract your brain from what's important. Instead, pick a simple color code, like one color for headers, one for key terms, and one for examples. Stick to 3 to 4 max. This keeps things clean and helps your brain categorize info better. Here's the golden rule. Aesthetic notes should enhance learning, not replace it. So, how do we do that? Step 1. The Cornell method, but prettier. This method splits your page into summary, notes, and cues. Perfect for active recall. But instead of keeping it plain, add subtle aesthetics like a thin highlighter for key terms or a cute font for headers. Still functional, but way more fun to review. Step 2. Visual hierarchy equals instant retention. Your eyes should instantly know what's important. Bigger headers, bold keywords, and small doodles as memory triggers help your brain organize info faster. Think of it like a mind map, but prettier. Step 3. Active recall. Built in. Here's the real secret. Leave space for questions. After writing notes, go back and write quiz questions in the margins. Later, cover the answers and test yourself. This makes your notes interactive and way more effective. You don't need a ton of supplies. My essentials are 1 to 2 good pens. I love fine liners. 3 mild liners, soft colors, less overwhelming. Sticky notes for extra reminders. A dot grid notebook helps with spacing. That's it. No need to break the bank. Remember, pretty notes can be useful. If you focus on learning first, then make it visually organized. Try these tips and watch how much more you actually remember. All right, which tip are you trying first? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear. And if this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe for more study hacks. See you in the next one. Happy note-taking.